Hi, awesome first graders. It's Mrs. Caird. Welcome back. We've been busy learning some new things this week, and today we're going to review those things. So we're going to start off with our sight words. So we're going to review the sight words that we've talked about this week. Okay. So our four sight words here: were, they, what, and could. So let's spell each of those words together. So the first one, W-E-R-E, were. Do that with me. W-E-R-E, were. Great. Then let's go to they. T-H-E-Y, they. Everyone together. T-H-E-Y, they. Great. Okay, up here is what. W-H-A-T, what. Do that one with me. W-H-A-T, what. And then our last one, could. C-O-U-L-D, could. One more time. C-O-U-L-D, could. All right. So our next screen are the same words, except they're missing a letter. What I want you to do is either write down, either with a pencil and paper or on a dry erase board with a marker, or if you don't have those, you could also tell somebody that's in your house what is missing. So look at each one of these words and write or tell someone the letter that's missing in the words. Okay. Are you ready to check? Let's see. Great job. The E at the end is missing for were. The E for they. And that's why it's one of those heart words that you have to memorize or learn by heart, because it sounds like it might be an A, but it's an E. The H is missing in what for the digraph, WH, and then the L is missing in could. Super. Okay, we're going to do those same words again with some different letters missing. Can you write or tell someone the letters that are missing now? Oh, in were, they, what, and could. What is missing in those? Okay, let's check these. Super. Did you say the E in were, the Y on they, the A in what? Another heart word that it doesn't sound like it would be an A. It sounds more like a U. And then the O in could. Very good. All right. So we also talked about some long vowel sounds. We talked about the I consonant E that says I. So this line means consonant here. So let's say this together. I consonant E says I. Let's do it one more time. I consonant E says I. Great. Okay, let's look at some words now. We have I, the consonant is Z with an E on the end. So the E is silent. It's going to make the I say its name. So let's sound that out. Eyes, size. Say it with me. Eyes, size. Great. Okay. Let's look at another one. Our blend here. St-er. I, stripe. Stripe. Very good. Let's do that together. St-er, stripe. Super. Okay, another one. I, consonant V, silent E. So we're going to sound it out with a long I. I've, drive. Let's do that together. I've, drive. Super. Okay. Then we also talked about the long O. That's O consonant, E says O. Let's say that together. O consonant E says O. One more time. O consonant E says O. Great. Let's look at some words with that. So we have O consonant N, E. E is going to make the O say its name. So bone, bone. Say that with me. Bone, bone. Great. Let's look at this one. Home, home. Let's do that one together. Home, awesome. And then we have digraph in the front, the, O's, those. Say that one with me. O's, those. Very good. Now we're going to look at some sentences, and we're going to see the sight words we talked about, and we're going to see some long vowel words as well. So we have the, and this one has only one vowel in between the consonants. So that's going to be a short vowel sound. So we're going to say short O, ah. So we'll sound that out, d-og, dog. Here's could, another short vowel because it's the only vowel in the word. So n-ot, not. Good. Okay, here's an I consonant E. So the I says its name. B-ite, bite. The, here's an O consonant E. B-own, bone. Great. Let's read that together. The dog could not bite the bone. Great. One more time. The dog could not bite the bone. Very good. Let's look at another sentence. Okay. They, this is a short I because it's the only vowel. Will. I consonant E. The E is going to make the I say its name. So I'd, ride. I consonant E. Bike, bike. To, the, and look at this one. This one is an A consonant E, where the A is going to say its name, like you talked about last week. So let's do this one. Lake, lake. They will ride a bike to the lake. Let's read that one together. They will ride a bike to the lake. Super. Okay, here's another sentence. This one starts with what? I consonant E. Time. One vowel, short I, So id, did. All right, this is one vowel, an O in the middle, so it's a short O, ah. Why do you think this T is capitalized here in Tom? It's not the beginning of a sentence. What is the reason the T is capital? You're right, because it's a name, right? A name has the first letter capitalized. Great. So Tom. Right, and look at this one. This one is one of those rabbit rules that we talked about, and we'll review again later today. But this one, you're going to divide the word between the two consonants here, and you'll sound out the syllables separately. So we have R, and then this syllable, R-I-V-E, we have our I consonant E, so we'll sound IVE. So we're going to say arrive, arrive. Great. And then home. So our sentence is, what time did Tom arrive home? Let's read that together. What time did Tom arrive home? Super. Okay, one more sentence. This one is nine. O consonant E with an S on the end. So we're still going to read it with a long O, but we're going to add an S after because it means more than one hole. So holes were two short U, the only constant, the only vowel in there, and it's got the digraph CH. So much, two, and dig. So 9 holes were too much to dig. Let's read that one together. 9 holes were too much to dig. Great. One more time. 9 holes were too much to dig. All right. Super job with that. Now what I'd like to do is go over your homework packet. So we went over a few the past few days, a page or two, and we focused mainly on the sound boxes. So I want to go over the other pages that are in there, and definitely something you want to work on through the week that with some help you could either if you print them out would be great and work on them. You could also put the screen up and write on a piece of paper, or you could tell someone in your house the answers to the questions. So let's look at the first packet here for our summertime camping trip. We're going to go here. Okay, so the first page has some comprehension questions. And you're going to see a few sentences that were from the story or similar to the story, and then some questions about it. So you can always go back to the story if you'd like to kind of jog your memory and to see what it was about. This one here asks about characters and setting. Characters are who the story is about. Setting is where it takes place. So you've got quite a few of the comprehensions. Let's go to our books. We did 2 books. Our first one was My Summertime Camping Trip. And the next day we did Mr. Mole's Stove. So we have a lot of great words here, examples of our I or O consonant E that you can read. Be a great idea to go back and reread that each story when you get a chance. Think about fluency and reading the way you would talk so that you can understand the story better. So you've got a lot of different things that you can work on in the next few days. Few reminders, there is a video for you to watch on Sight Words today, so that might be fun to do. Also, today or this week is Teacher Appreciation Week. I did want to remind you that you still have time to let your teacher know how much you appreciate him or her. And I know they would love to hear from you. And I have really had fun this week. I hope you have too. And I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.